99 Dodge Ram 1500 360. Ambient temperature sensor. That's your first plug. It comes up and out of here to this plug. It connects the power and goes over to your light. That is a 2-prong. This plug goes to your light, or it connects to your other. Yeah, this connects to your light. This plug goes up and follows it up your hood. I moved my temperature ambient sensor so it'd be a little bit accurate, and I zip tied it to the front grate, and it's a 2-prong. This is all factory right through here. Had to go through the junkyard to find this. And why you do this is you plug this in. That plugs into there. This comes up. Get this to focus. This plugs onto your light. This comes up. And this plugs into your ambient temperature sensor up there. And that's how your ambient temperature sensor hooks up on a 99 Dodge Ram 1500 5.9.